Okay, last day of the unit, day 7, more evaluating functions in context. Notes start like this. Same examples as yesterday, day 6. That's we're starting with example 4. The table below represents the amount of money Joe made over the summer mowing lawns. X is the number of lawns mowed. WX, or Y, like we always say, is the amount of money Joe made. Give me an example. Well, if I mowed 5 lawns, I'd make 50 bucks. If I mowed 4 lawns, I'd make 40 bucks. So find W of 6. I know what you are thinking. You're way ahead of me. You're faster. X equals Y equals. X is 6. Y equals, of course, it's 60. Now we need to explain it in context. Joe mows 6 lawns and earns $60. Let's see if I can turn this into nice. How did we do that? I forgot. Recognize. Yeah, it doesn't look so good. Okay, I guess we'll have to leave it like that. Oh, because the other got included. That's why. All right, that's okay. I'll do it a little bit slower next time so we can get it separate. All right, let's do it again. Draw our Great Wall, X equals Y equals. How does this differ? The 70 is the Y side, or in this case, the money side. 7, circle it. Let's give it a rest for a second. Then I'll write my words. Joe mows 7 lawns and earns $70. Now let's take a look, see if it recognizes. Joe mows 7 lawns, looks good. Recognizes, earns $70, looks good. Much better than my writing. All right, well done. Okay, we did it off the table. Now we're going to do it off a graph. Then we got one more word problem. The graph below represents the cost of renting video game from Game Incorporated Company. Okay, number of games is X. We'll do that blue. Cost is Y. We'll do that red. An example would be this dot right here, which says if I rent 2 games, it's going to cost me $5. So again, let's do like we always do. Great Wall. X equals 3. Y equals, I don't know. Go to our graph, find 3. Up and over. Y equals 7. Context. Find C of X equals 3. Great Wall. Y equals 3. What does X equal? I'm going to circle it. I'm going to find 3 on the Y column and go over and down 1. What would that mean? That would mean that if I rented 1 video, it would cost me $3. Let's do the last one just in context. I could do it this way if I wanted, show my work. What does it mean? It means if we rent 4 games, cost is $9. Recognize text. Rent 4 games, cost is $9. All right. Whoops. Did it recognize it or didn't it? There we go. Got it. Off the table, off the graph. Let's do one last one where we have an equation. Kate babysits and she makes $5.50 for every hour that she works. How much would she make if she worked 20 hours? Again, I bet you would know what to do. I'm going to use my calculator to make sure. Clear out the old stuff. 5.50x works 20 hours. That means I'm going to go to my table down till I get to 20 because black is hours worked, blue is money, $110. That'd be a nice payday. B, 15, Great Wall. X equals 15. What does Y equal? On my screen here, 82.5, also known as 82 50. Explain that in context. Sorry, I forgot to circle my answer. What does that mean? It means that Kate babysits for 15 hours and earns $82, not 5 cents. Add the 0, 50 cents. Let's see how this looks. My writing's getting better, guys. All right. Got it. How many hours will she need to work to make $187? How am I going to do that? Well, again, in context, you could set it up for algebra if you wanted to, or you could just simply go, wait a minute, 187 is money. That's my blue column. I'm going to go down until I get to 187, getting close. There it is. Goes across. 34 hours. A couple more. Great Wall. Y equals 165. What does X equal? C and D asked the same question in a different way. C was more words. D was more algebra. I'm going to go up until I get to 165 for blue. There it is. 30. Circle my answer and put it into context. Kate works 30 hours and earns $165. Nice. Looks pretty good, guys. We had some extra problems. I don't think we need to do them. By all means, if you want to do those extra ones for practice, you can. Otherwise, great job on this unit. We're pretty much done the lessons. Now we just have to wrap things up. Excellent work, and we'll see you back in school.